Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying network and permissions. Make sure your Google TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi, then open the Google TV app or the built-in remote. Enable Bluetooth and accept location/nearby device access. This allows device discovery. Once done, tap the remote icon in the app and wait for your Google TV name to appear. If prompted, enter the 4-digit code shown on the TV. That secures the connection. This first step starts the live control channel between devices. After your phone finds the Google TV, select it and follow on-screen pairing prompts. You may need to type a code shown on TV. Do that quickly to authenticate. Make sure to grant input control and microphone permission if you want voice search. This is why you give permissions earlier. Once paired, open app settings to adjust keyboard, D-pad sensitivity, and haptic feedback so navigation feels natural. These configuration choices improve responsiveness and avoid accidental inputs while you browse or type. Now you control the Google TV from your phone. Use the D-pad for navigation, play /pause for media, volume buttons if supported, and voice search for quick finds. Test each function so you know it works. If the remote won't connect, reboot the TV and phone, then reopen the app and try pairing again. This clears temporary network or Bluetooth issues. Also make sure both the app and TV firmware are updated. Outdated software is the most common cause of intermittent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.